Hey everybody, welcome to Tarry until he comes Homestead. Sister Marcel here. Welcome all to the new subscribers and my old subscribers. Today I am bringing you a very quick video, a review of some garden boots that I got. And it's from the company called KalKal. I don't know if you ever heard about it, but I saw somebody doing a video on it and I said, "Ooh, those are nice boots. Let me go check the website." And when I checked the website, I found some I absolutely love. So we're going to try them on. It is hot here. I'm in Northern California, zone 9. I am up in the upper mountains. As you can see, I'm in the mountains. It is hot here. It is about 90 degrees. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut this down. Hopefully it hasn't fell down already. But last night it was tilting a little bit more. So I thought, you know what? I need to go check it. So we're going to try these boots on, see how they feel. And then we're going to go on into the garden. All right. So let's go ahead and try them on. I'm going to show you guys. Y'all ready to see my boots? Are you ready to see? I will have the link down below. Once again, it's from the company called KalKal. Hopefully I'm saying that right. You ready to see them? Let me block it real quick. Y'all ready to see? Y'all ready to see my boots? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at these. These are so nice. Like, so nice. You see the cheetah print or leopard print. I want to say cheetah print. Of course, if you don't know me from my original channel, One Virtuous Woman and One Vigilant Watchman, my favorite color is purple. Okay. And this lime green is really nice. So I thought it's nice. This is a size 10. Yeah, your girl got a big foot. My feet are wide. So, yeah. We're going to try these on. So these are so nice. Look, you could be stylish and cute in the garden. Now, though, these going to get all muddy and messed up, but it's easy to clean. So we're going to try these out and see. Let's see what it say on here. So it just has all their information. They're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. And I'll have all their information down below. Okay. So we're going to try these shoes on. Let's try them on. There we go. Can I just slip them on in? Oh, okay. They just slip right on in. All right. Okay. Oh, don't want to. Let me see. Oh, I like. Look at that. Those are cute. Aren't they cute? I think they're cute. Very cute. So if you're interested in these KalKals, I'll have the link, my Amazon link down below. Or you can go to their website. I believe it's KalKal-online.com. There's their information there. I got a size 10. If you wear a size 10, I would say get a size 10 because it's snug. It's really nice and snug. Yeah, thank you for joining me today. Check the link for these cute garden or outside boots from KalKal. And KalKal, if you're watching me, look, you can sponsor me, okay? Okay. But yeah, these are super cute. I really like them. I really do. I don't know about you guys, but these are super cute, and they comfy, and they're probably easy to slip off. Let me see, because you know sometimes it's hard to slip off boots. Look at there. Boom. Took it right on off, and then slip it right back on. I love that. But anyway, I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching me. Until next time, remember to pray in your garden, because we do plant, but the Most High grows. All right. God bless.